Hello everyone, this is Joy and welcome back to CUMIC Weekly, where we bring you the latest Chinese steel prices and the market trends every single week. If you're new here, simply hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. Don't miss out on any future updates. This week, China's steel market showed another rebound after a sharp rise and a pullback last week. Let's break it down. In July, one of the major drivers behind the strong performance in steel and the related commodities was the market's expectation of policies aimed at reducing vicious competition, what many refer to as the anti-involution. However, after the government meeting on Wednesday, those hopes cooled off. As a result, the entire black commodity sector experienced a sharp correction, with steel futures falling from their highest in over 7 months. But this week, sentiment shifted again. There are whispers about possible coal production cuts, and new expectations are starting around steel output restrictions in northern China by mid-August. That has been enough to spark a fresh rebound in steel prices and related commodities. Next, let's examine the supply and demand side. This week, China's appearance steel demand went down by 63,000 tons, while total inventory went up by 230,000 tons. Production went up slightly as well. So yes, inventories are building up, but the pace remains slower than in previous years, and total inventory levels are still relatively low. Meanwhile, with profits staying healthy, steel production has not slowed down much yet. But looking ahead to mid-August, many expect production to be affected by new restrictions. For now, the supply side remains relatively steady, and there are no major disruptions on the horizon, and steel prices are getting quite strong support as a result. So where do we go from here? Right now, expectations around tighter coal supply and upcoming production cuts are helping to lift market confidence. And with inventory still relatively low, there's not much pressure pushing prices down. In the short term, we are likely to see a steel market that is steady, stronger overall, but with some fluctuations. Well, what's your take on the Chinese steel market? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Just hit the subscribe and like buttons right here. See you next week. Bye bye.